Hi, I am Anindam Molli and you all are welcome to my Python programming basic course. Our today's topic is strings in Python. Let's start. Now, what is string? String is a sequence of characters. We know that the string is a basically sequence of characters written in the single quote, double quote or triple quotes. Okay. But in case of Python, string is a data type. String is a inbuilt data type in case of Python programming language. Okay. Now, in this video, I like to show you like concatenation, then appending, then convert the data of a string type. So for this, go to the Python shell. This is a program of the basic program of a string. We know that Python interpreter is by default on the runtime is declared the data type. That's why we are declared here the string. We will take a variable str of 1. Obviously it is string because I already told you on the single quote, double quote, triple quote what is a written here, that is a string. So basically it's the high, it's a string. Now we are printing the print using print statement, print str of 1, print function. Okay, str of 2, there is a, we are take another string variable welcome Python, then we are print that str of 3. Now there is a triple quote. Why you require a triple quote? If we are write a string on the multiple lines, then we are using this triple quote. Okay. If you observe, these are two lines. India is a, another line is very glorious country. Then we are printing that. Now, so for execute, we are press F5. Now print the hi, welcome Python, and India is a very glorious country. Okay. Now we have traverse a string. For an example, we have take a string that is a string variable basically message. On that we have stored a string that is hello. You can clearly observe that hello is written on the double quote. So obviously it is a string. Now we have take you in a value variable that is index. We are assigned with 0. That means we have go to the every index. For an example, if you know the C programming, you know that string. What do you mean by string? String here character array. That means here go to the same concept we are using here. Concept is same. Basically, we are take a index means we are printing the one by one character. Okay, it is a sequence. String means a sequence of characters. That means we are go to the every index of a then we are printing the value. So for this we are using a for loop for I in range. Sorry, for I in message. That means here the sequence is name is basically we use the string, that means message. That means every time we take a value from this index value is first 0, that means go the 0th index, print the age, then index plus 1, go to the then index value is increment to 1, then go to the next index. Now value are printed. Now so this is a indentation block. On this block we are written a print statement, that is print function, like message the index, like we are printing the I, then we are incrementing index plus equals to 1 in place operator. Now what is printed we are check. So for this press F5. So as I am already told you, this is a thing like for index is 0 first. So 0 in message means hello. Here we are hello. Now here hello means this is a string, means sequence. Obviously it has some index, that means H is on the index 0, E on the index 1, L this L in the index 2, same way means. So 5. So for 0 in means check 0 is belonged or not, yes, no. Now so print the 0th index value, that means print the H. Then come here, index plus 1, that means index is now 1. 1 in, yes, so print the value A, same way, like. So this is the thing, the value are printed. The value are printed here. Okay. Now for concatenating, like this is the adding basically. It's adding the two function. We are using the plus operator for adding. Like after concatenating, this is str of 3. So what is the result we are show? Yes, means there is two string. One is a welcome, one is a Python. After concatenating means merging or combining. So welcome Python makes a single string. That is basically concatenating. Appends means we are in adding something after on the end. String we are take a hello. Now take a input as name. Input enter a name. Now str of plus equals to name. That means his name is just added to the end of a string. That means after the hello we are printing the string. For an example, we write the am. So hello am are printed. This is the append operation. Now last operation, that is convert. Converted the one data type to another to string. The var is obviously is a string integer. We are converting the string and then concat. So means result is hello 5. 5 is on the string. We are using the str of var. That means we have converted the integer to this var to var is integer data type, integer to string, and we are concat with the as concatenate with the st means hello. Result is become stored on the st of 1. Print the st of 1. Result are printed as hello 5. Thank you.